Hello, my dear kids. How are you? So today I'm back with a video in which we will be revising and knowing about the growth of plants, how plants grow, what is the stage, what is the process in which they grow. So let's begin with it. So our first slide shows this, that what all do plants give us? See, we all know that a plant hold a lot of importance to a human being, to the environment, to each and every person on this planet. Plants are the most important, most crucial things that we need to protect, that we need to uh, keep a look at, and we have to protect them. So we all know that we all are studying it from since class one, that plants are very, very useful to us. They give us different things that makes our life easier. For example, they give us rubber that is very much required for the tires and tubes. Then they give us paper, soap, medicines, crops. We eat a lot of crops, millets, we all get them from plants. And obviously we get oils, most of the oils from plants only, then tea and coffee, and then yes, wood, and most of the clothes also we get from plants. So let's get back to the next thing. So here I would like to tell you and just wanted to revise that plants are of different types. Plants are in the form of climbers also that need support. They are in the form of creepers also that creep on the floor. They are the types, they are in the types of herbs also, shrubs, and obviously trees. But how do plants grow? What is the process that they follow for their growth? We all know that a plant grows from a seed, but how and what it is called? So we all know that plant needs some basic things without which it is impossible for a plant to survive. And what are they? They are sunlight, most important thing. Then water, soil, air. What do they need? They need carbon dioxide from the air and obviously a proper space to grow. They need a proper place where there is fertile soil, an ample amount of sunlight, water, good amount of carbon dioxide, and then they grow pretty well there. But what is a basic cycle of a plant? See, we all know a plant starts growing from a seed, then becomes, then they grow into a seedling that grows into a sprout and then becomes a small little baby plant. And it takes a lot of carbon dioxide, sunlight from the environment to become a great adult plant. Then obviously it grows old and the seeds fall off, and then again we use those seeds to grow the other plant once again. So this is a life cycle of a plant. See, here we have seen a life cycle of a sunflower. It is for each and every plant. This is for each and every plant. Some plants grow with seeds and some grow with some other things, but all of them grow like this only. And when we talk about growing, we all should understand that this process is called germination. This process is called germination of a plant. See, plant is something that grows out of something, whether it is a seed, whether it is a leaf, whether it is whatever plant part of the plant that it needs to grow. So if a plant is growing from a seed to become a plant, then what will happen? The seed will become a seedling and then become a big plant. Let's understand the stages of germination. But what basically germination is? See, seed germination is defined as the process by which a baby plant grows from a seed to form a seedling. See, This is an experiment that is done by me. I have taken these sprouts and this is white gram, so white rajma. So I have sprouted them. First, I have put them and soaked them in water. Then I kept them on a cotton cloth. See, can you see these small little baby plants, baby seedlings coming out of the seed? This is a seed, and these small baby plants are coming out of this seed. See, this is a structure of a seed. Seed has one or two cotyledons that basically store the food from the coming plant, for the coming plant. And then the embryo. Embryo is a small little baby plant. And the seed coat. Seed coat is very important. Why is it important? Maybe it is important because the plant has to be secured, and the seed coat holds the plant tightly, and it protects the inner small baby plant also. See, this is a part of a seed. If you see it nicely, this is our seed. This is the seed coat. This is the stored food. Where do we store food? The food is stored within the cotyledon, and then the small baby plant. So let's discuss the stages of germination. First and the most important part is that the seed needs water, light, and air. When it gets that, then the seed breaks and the young plant comes out. The young plant develops root and shoot. Root is the lower part and shoot is the part above the soil. And then slowly and gradually the plant grows into a big plant. So these are the stages of germination.